Hi guys, this is just a quick update on my uh, table saw, my Aldi Workzone Table Saw. I've made this bench for it, and I'm using that IKEA table as an outfeed table. Um, I was just currently using it to rip this 4x2 down into strips because I didn't have the right length strips because I'm making a, a trailer, a teardrop trailer, and where I've mounted the 4x2s right onto the chassis, the floor sits slightly proud by about 18 millimeters because there's an 18 millimeter sheet there. So I just needed to cut down some of these 4x2s into 18 millimeter pieces so that the floor sits flush, so I can put a sheet of ply across it. I'm not going to put any more 6x9s across the middle or anything because this Kingspan's quite tough stuff, and if you look at the diagram over here, it shows that if it's supported underneath you can actually walk on it. So I think once I throw a sheet of ply over it, that would be perfect.